This is a tablet sample from a pharmaceutical client for prototyping. The plate measures 105 mm in length, 42 mm in width, with blister holes having a diameter of 12 mm and a depth of 5 mm. In addition, the plate features tier line.
Later.
We'll create the drawings as soon as we receive the sample. 15 days from drawing confirmation to sample production. We'll choose our standard mold, and we can provide the sample on the same day we receive the product. Each tray has a pin design. No need for cutting after sealing. If you're satisfied with our service, give us a thumbs up.